Are you wondering how to set up custom fields in Salesflare? In this quick and straightforward guide, I'll walk you through exactly how to do it. Custom fields in Salesflare are a game changer for tailoring your CRM to fit your specific needs, allowing you to track the information that matters most to your business. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create custom fields and how they can elevate your CRM experience. First, let's start by logging into your Salesflare account. Once you're in, head over to your settings. On the left sidebar, under Data, you'll find an option called Custom Fields. Click on that, and this is where the magic happens. You'll see a list of all the existing fields in your Salesflare CRM, but now we're going to focus on adding a new one. To add a custom field, click on the Add Field button. A pop-up will appear asking you to define your new field. This is where you can choose the field type. Salesflare offers several options: text fields, drop-down menus, dates, checkboxes, and more. Depending on your business needs, choose the one that works best. For example, if you want to track client preferences or their preferred communication method, a drop-down menu can be useful. Once you've chosen the field type, give it a name that makes sense for your team. This is the label that will appear in your CRM when you're viewing contact or company profiles, so be sure it's clear and easy to understand. Next, you can set the field to be mandatory or optional. This is important if you want to ensure that your team fills in certain information each time a new contact or deal is added to the system. After setting up the field, click Save, and your custom field will be created. Now you can go back to any contact or company profile, and you'll see your new field available to fill in. This is great for tracking important details that are unique to your business, such as specific client requirements or special deal conditions. What makes this even better is that you can now add these custom fields to your pipeline views. This is where the real power of custom fields comes in, as it allows you to see the exact information you need at a glance. You can customize your pipeline to highlight the fields you created and ensure that your sales team is always working with the most relevant information. One quick tip: if you ever need to update or delete custom fields, you can do that right from the same Custom Fields section in your settings. Just click on the pencil icon to edit or the trash icon to delete. And here's the best part: you can try Salesflare completely free with an exclusive extended trial by clicking the first link below. This bonus is only available through this video, so make sure you don't miss out. Salesflare's ability to customize your CRM with custom fields makes it super flexible and aligned with your specific business processes. It's one of the easiest ways to ensure your CRM is as organized and efficient as possible. Remember, setting up custom fields in Salesflare is simple, and when done right, it can make your CRM work much harder for you. So, head over to your Salesflare account, create your custom fields, and start tracking the information that matters most. Don't forget to check out the exclusive extended free trial by clicking the link in the description. Thanks for watching.